Non-fungible tokens, or the NFTs, are one of the hottest blockchain trends today. With their growing popularity, we often get asked what exactly non-fungible tokens are and why they are different from a normal image that you can download for free on the internet. If you want to know more about non-fungible tokens, keep watching and let's get started. Non-fungible tokens are unique, meaning that every single token on a blockchain network is one of a kind. If you're trying to figure out how non-fungible tokens work, it's helpful to think about collectibles, whether it's baseball cards or rare art pieces. You can buy and sell baseball cards, but no two baseball cards are exactly alike. The same principle applies to non-fungible tokens. You have unique assets, which it's digital art, and that could only exist on the blockchain. If you're wondering, what exactly is a blockchain? Then you're not alone. There are plenty of definitions out there, but we could say that a blockchain is simply a network, a digital ledger that tracks information in something called blocks. In other words, if I were to ask your bank for your transaction history, it would take me some time to get back to you with an answer. Using a blockchain means that all transactions can be publicly accessible and viewable by anyone. This transparency makes blockchains perfect tools for conducting transactions. One of the reasons why the popularity of the non-fungible tokens is going viral, it is because many people have done millions with this new technology. And since the non-fungible tokens get more value with time, some people see it as an investment to the future. This is Mike Winkelmann, also known as Beeple. He is a famous digital artist who sold one of the most expensive non-fungible tokens ever. He sold his art called The First 5,000 Days, which collected together his daily arts from the past 14 years at an auction for $69 million. In 2021, there are thousands of non-fungible tokens collections. Here are some of the more popular ones that we could mention: the CryptoPunks and the Bored Ape Yacht Club. This last one has gone very popular lately because many celebrities have been purchasing the apes from the collection and then they change their profile pictures on the social media to show them to the world. So now that you know more about non-fungible tokens, what do you think? Do you think it is a great or a bad investment? Or maybe is just going to be more popular with the years? If you like this video, please consider to give us a like and subscribe to our channel. That would help us with the YouTube algorithm, and it will allow us to keep making more informative videos for you. Thank you for watching.